Meet Eric, a Chief Information and Security Officer at UV Corp. As a Chief Information and Security Officer, Eric is responsible for managing security vulnerabilities, compliance, and auditing. But something is bothering Eric. Eric is unable to evaluate security risks from a project-wide perspective. Application security tools used by Eric and team are frequently independent of the DevOps process. Eric believes that these difficulties can be easily overcome by shifting left and detecting security flaws. Simplifying compliance, auditing, and security by providing a common work environment for developers and security teams to collaborate and deliver. But what can help Eric achieve this? GitLab is the tool that can solve Eric's problem. GitLab provides SAST, DAST, container scanning, and dependency scanning along with license compliance. By bringing together developers and security experts on one platform, vulnerability management is made easier and collaboration is improved. Eric is quite fascinated by what GitLab does and how it can bring value proposition to UV Corp. However, Eric's company has already invested heavily in other security tools. But is it helping Eric and his company identify and fix security vulnerabilities earlier in the release cycle? GitLab provides full end-to-end visibility as a single DevOps platform with comprehensive application security, a compliance framework for consistency and common control. Streamline auditing by recording every change and maintaining a single thread, making audit compliance a breeze. Wondering how GitLab can do so many things? Let's connect.